25, Topps Chrome Marvel. Pick your color, number 88. Come on, Blesban. Come on, Blesban.
Last two, guys. Let's do it. There's
All right, good
Blesban.
excuse. Good excuse. I like it, Blesban. That was a sharp excuse. I like it. Sharp. 2 left. I'm just fucking with you, man. You know I gotta. We gotta mess around. We wouldn't be boys if not. 2 left.
2.
43 per. It's supposed to be $47 per. I made it 43. That's fair. That's fair. All right, if anybody out there wants to kill it for 80, I already have the $40 in there for the guys that got it. But if anybody wants to take 2 spots for 80, that's beyond great value. You would get $94 in cereal spots for 80 bucks.
80.
$80. $94 in cereal spots for 80 bucks.
Is it? I don't know. I can't tell. I really can't tell. Genuinely.
There's your packs. It might be. Take the 2 spots that's left. Somebody take 2. Packs are out. We're in video.
Last 2 spots.
Oh, I don't know if I sent out emails on this break. Oh, I did. Oops.
Last 2.
2 left. We're down to 2, fam. 2. Packs are out and we are ready to show. Mrs. Sam is peeking.
I'm not peeking. I don't know. I don't know what I see.
Mrs. Hammer might see something. Who knows?
I don't know. Come on. Last 2.
We're in video. Packs are out. $43 per. It's a random cereal. I got packs out. Mrs. Hammer's ready.
Last 2, guys.
Somebody say kill.
You guys trying to peek? I don't even know. Last 2, guys. Last 2. It's going no matter what. We'll sit in video. We're sitting in video.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't peek. I usually don't peek. I know it might help sell the break, but yeah, I don't want to,
I don't know.
Curiosity got to favor the bold, perhaps?
Could be. I can't tell.
Oh, hello, Mr. Tempe.
Hi, Raj. Thank you, Raj. 1 left.
Roasted and
guys.
Tempe's saying goodbye to me. 1 left.
Aw.
He's saying goodbye to me. 1 left.
Thank you, Raj. 1.
1 left. Raj, it was great knowing you. Thank you for your support.
Hamas, goodbye.
My YouTube farewell. My YouTube farewell.
He's
I'm still with
gone.
Blaze. I'm still with Blaze. Don't
He's
worry.
still with us, but he's gone. Oh.
Okay, you can if you're gonna close it, Raj, you can close it for 80. You can send 80 total, buddy. It's supposed to be
Thank you.
47, so you're getting 94 in spots for $80. 1 second, and then we'll go right into it.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, everyone who to help push us through. I know. Super is sharp with his stuff. Honestly, I can't tell. I hope so, but I can't tell.
You know, on it, you know, it's funny. Honestly, Blizzband, this might actually be the one.
Oh,
Like this might actually be my one. Like it's kind of crazy.
ready?
Oh damn it!
What? Spelled it wrong.
I got-
Thank you.
Thank you, Raj. Good luck, guys.
Good luck, everyone.
Dice roll needs to be ace 2 or higher. This is the random for the unsold top scroll Marvel spots. Good luck.
What?
4 times. Good luck, guys. 4, 1, 2, 3. Fourth and final. 4. Rando in the number 1 spot. Axios in the 2. T-Lem in the 3. Rando in the 4. Edram, you got 5 and 6. Kid Rock in the 7. Raj, you got an 8 and 9. And Edram, you get the 0. I don't know why, but the 0 for me, Edram, I'll be honest, it's been working for me as of lately. If and when we hit for you guys, we'll call it out for sure, guys. Promise.
You make it 13.
No.
That's fine.
Good luck,
Alright,
guys.
let's see it. Thank you guys for pushing us through. Thank you, Raj.
Call it out if we do. I got my number 2 hat on.
Refractor. Colleen Wing on the refractor.
Who that?
Icons of Thor on the refractor. Refractor of Fastos. Spiderweb refractor. Oh, it's Jeff!
Jeff! Oh, I want a Jeff.
372 out of 399 on the Jeff. There's JF. The Land Shark.
I didn't know that this was the product with Jeff the Land Shark.
Yeah, there's JF.
Does he sell really crazy?
I think he does. People like have been chasing him. Yeah, for sure. Refractor, nice refractor of Spider-Man. Yeah, that should be case. Come on, number 2.
And I'm looking up Jeff the Land Shark.
Refractor, Flag Smasher. Luke Cage on the refractor. Yes. Magneto. Refractor, Photon. Refractor Blue. We got some stuff coming. I don't know if we have a claw though in this left stack.
Wow, he sells for a lot.
Refractor of Ronin. Iron Man. 87 out of 100 on the Iron Man logo. Solaris. Gold red.
What is Solaris?
I don't even know who that is. Stuck Spider Boy on the refractor. Icons of Iron Man refractor.
I watched that movie. I don't remember Solaris. I don't remember.
Lock on the refractor. Refractor Blue of Destiny. 207 out of 299.
Who's Destiny?
Blue refractor. Is that J-Tank? I can't see that. Nice. We have a whole green coming. Refractor of the Black Knight. Samurai Venom. Can you take this stack when you have a stack? Gambit on the Refractor. 35th. Gore on the Refractor. Colossus on the X-Men Refractor. Here's Jeff.
If that's a Green Hulk,
Kitty
that's a
Pryde
cereal.
on the Refractor. It is a Green Hulk laser. 37 out of 99. Vulture.
For the 7.
No, for the 1. 31 out of 99.
Oh, 31 out of 99.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Randall with the 1 spot.
There's Randall.
Yeah, I'm down, guys. I'm down. If you guys want to do more, the SpongeBob Pick Your Color number 3 got 5 spots left. Got a couple bigger spots though, guys. So if we have legs, I don't mind staying. Once we run out of legs,
Groot on the Refractor.
I'll be back.
There's Groot. Dr. Doom on the Icons Refractor. Red Wolf. Blue Refractor. Oh, nice. Black Panther. 42 out of 299 on the Blue Refractor. That's nice.
There's Black Panther. Nice break.
Refractor. Abomination. Cards are sticking. Hulk. Blindfold. Captain America. Purple Shimmer coming. Refractor. Long Shot. Purple Shimmer is Mr.
Oh, that's
Sinister.
nasty. Mr. Sinister.
38 out of 75.
Ah! Yeah, those bazookas are pretty big.
This is in the...
Oh, Purple Shimmer. Sorry, what is it?
38. To the 8.
Roasted in Tempe gets Mr. Sinister.
Alright.
I do miss the marathon 18, 20 hours a day. The last time I did one was Dunruss and Hoops release. That was the last time I did it. Honestly, that was the last time I did like a 20-something plus hour shift.
Icons of Falcon on the Refractor. Blue green. Refractor. 36 out of 199.
That's sick.
Galactus on the blue green shimmer.
Galactus is badass.
Where's the blue green? Blue green JC.
Yep, JCP. Good 2-boxer. Good names, at least.
Yeah. Especially with Jeff. Enchantress on a refractor. Uh-oh.
What is that? What is it? I can't see. What is it? What is it?
It's something. It
Okay,
might be a
I like
reflection.
I like all O's.
Reflection? Is this gonna be my first?
I don't know.
I haven't hit one of those.
Okay. We can only pull one kind of hammer stunt per day.
Echo on the refractor. Reflection. Oh, sick!
Wow, that's disgusting.
Oh, it's my first. It's my first.
That's disgusting.
Let's go.
That's sick.
Reflection.
So the reflections.
Thanos.
What does that go to?
I believe this is random to the break. You guys see the reflections, and I don't know, it's hard to like see it, right? so sick. My first one.
That's it.
Finally. I need
Nice.
a picture. Phone, please.
No, I don't know where your phone is. Or your
It's right
phone's
by
in
you.
there. That's a sick Thanos.
I've never hit one yet. That's my first. Blue, like, hit a lot of these, I believe.
So Ken,
I can. Sorry, quick picture, guys. This will be random to the break.
if it does hit a serial spot, guys, we will re-random the serial numbers to determine who gets it because it is not numbered. Fuck, is it there? Is it time already, Ken? No wonder you texted me. I didn't even realize it was time for you guys to come up.
Oh, this is my first. I'm so happy. I finally hit one. Wow, that's sick.
Who's killing SpongeBob?
Good luck to the
Yeah.
random.
Wait, like make sure you get all your fingerprints on top, okay?
No, I have to. It's my first one I hit.
It's bro, SpongeBob's major. I told you, SpongeBob's fucking pretty badass.
Oh, I'm so happy I finally hit one. Wolverine, nice on the refractor. Professor X. And we're gonna end it on the Iron Man logo, red gold of Bloodline.
Who?
69 out of 100. Oh, I'm so excited. Quick recap, guys, and then Hamill will do the random for the reflection.
I don't know how to set the box up for this one, but I'm assuming.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
Nice Galactus, nice Black Panther, Sinister, Jeff, there's Jeff, and then Thanos.
All right, guys. I know I said it earlier. We'll say it again. Dice roll gonna be ace deuce or higher, and we're gonna go 7. I don't like that number.
Howling.
7 times. If it lands on a serial spot, because it is not numbered, it will be a second random. Just a heads up. It will be a second random between the serial participants if this lands on a serial spot that was unsold. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Top spot gets it. 4, 5, 6. 7th and final. 7. Wow. Talk about value. The refractor and insert Axios.
Oh, let's go, Axios.
Axios, you fuck all right.
All right.